Imagine doubling your money in 8 years. Sounds good, right? With a $20,000 investment in stocks growing at 9% annually, that's exactly what you could achieve. But is there a better way? Now, consider using that $20,000 as a down payment on a $400,000 home. With just a 5% annual appreciation, you'd gain $20,000 in just 1 year. That's leveraging the power of real estate. Fast forward 8 years, and your property could be worth nearly $600,000. That's a $200,000 gain from your initial $20,000. Real estate isn't just about investing your money, it's about using the bank's money too. In summary, 20K in stocks becomes 40K, while in real estate, it becomes 200K. Want to make your money work harder? Explore real estate investments today. Reach out and let's start building your wealth together. Call or text us at 408-888-3855 for personalized guidance. Follow California Khare Real Estate Group for more tips.